ever get confused between since and for? They both talk about time, but they aren't used in the same way. Let's clear this up once and for all. Life is like a clock, always ticking. But here's the secret. What really matters is not just the time that passes, but how we measure it. And that's exactly what since and for help us do. Since marks the starting point of an action. Use it when you know exactly when something began. For example, I have lived in Delhi since 2020. That means it started in 2020 and it's still true now. For shows the duration of time. Use it to tell how long something has continued. For example, I have lived in Delhi for 7 years. Here, the focus is on the length of time, not the starting point. Here's another way to picture it. Imagine planting a seed in 2020. You would say, I have been watering it since 2020. That's the starting point. Now, if that seed grew for 5 years, you would say, I have been watering it for 5 years. That's the journey, the duration. Here's the easy trick. If you mean when it started, use since. If you mean how long it lasted, use for. Simple. Let's try a few quick examples. She has been studying since morning. She has been studying for 5 hours. Now your turn. I have known him since 2020. I have waited for 2 hours. She has been practicing for 3 hours. See how it works. You think for a moment, then check your answer. That's how you will remember it faster. Many learners confuse these two, but here's the golden rule. Since always needs a clear starting point, like a date or a time. For always needs a length of time, like hours, days, or years. So here's the takeaway. Since means the starting point, for means the time length, simple but powerful. And here's a thought to close on. Life itself is the same. We all have a starting point, but what truly inspires others is the duration of our efforts. So don't just live since yesterday, live for a better tomorrow. That's all for today. See you in the next lesson.